Namaste and a very warm good morning to all of you. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. I am Deepak Kumar. I live in Khosi. Today I am here to share my opinion about social media. Social media is an online platform where we can share thoughts, information, pictures and videos. We all use it in our day-to-day life. It has become an integral part of our lives. There are various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. We all use them to communicate and socialize locally as well as globally. Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. I would like to mention advantages of social media first. The biggest benefit of social media is that we can share our thoughts and ideas with people across the world. Now even a common man can express his opinion on any national or international issue. Another benefit of social media is that people can showcase their talent on this platform. Many people have gained fame by showing their talent through social media. It is also helping people to earn money. People sell a lot of things like clothes, books, electronic items, etc. through social media. Social media is also used to create awareness amongst people. People with good knowledge about topics like health or nutrition use this platform to create awareness amongst people. Spending lot of time on social media also bring a lot of health disorders like stress, anxiety and sleeplessness. Another drawback of social media is that we cannot trust all the information available here. Some information can be true while some can be fake. At times false news spread like wildfire through this platform. Our personal information become easily available to many on the net. We need to hence alert from hackers. Apart from this, cyberbullying is another major drawback of social media. Some people post negative and hate comments on others' accounts and harass them. We need to use this platform wisely and in a limited way so that we can make the most out of this new platform. Before finishing my speech, I want to speak some lines in Hindi. तकदीर के खेल से कभी मायूस नहीं होते, तकदीर के खेल से कभी मायूस नहीं होते, जिंदगी में ऐसे कभी उदास नहीं होते। हाथों के लकीरों पर विश्वास मत करना, हाथों के लकीरों पर विश्वास मत करना, तकदीर तो उनकी भी होती है जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.